You ready to go? We're about to go for a walk. Ooh, you come in with them big old legs. You said Leo? Said Leo, man, she ready to go. You ready to go? We about to hit our walk on? Okay, let me see what you working with. What you wearing today? Let me see, okay. Oh, you getting a little beat off back there. You getting a little bit back there, huh? Go. All right, let's get it. Y'all ready to get out the Matrix?
Get over here!
I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Well, all right, y'all. For private consultations, make sure to email me at info@ZoomtoThailand.com or follow the Zoom to Thailand IG on Instagram. We got some good things happening over there too, y'all. My Patreon members always get the fastest response, and they're my first priority when it comes to getting in direct contact with the Travel OG. However, you can hit me up on Zoom to Thailand IG as well. I love helping people get out the Matrix, even if it's just for 10 days, y'all. Which is the minimum time I recommend for you visiting this beautiful place. Traveling alone, you lose 3 days because you're already 12 steps behind and we 24 hours ahead. Do the math and you'll see what I'm saying. You underdig me? Plus, it's going to take you some time to get acclimated to the changes of the time and the changes of the weather. I recommend you giving yourself a minimum 10 to 14 days to really enjoy yourself. I love hearing people's stories and their various reasons for coming out here. Even if it's just to talk or get some advice or plan coming out here at a later date. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell, and if you like what I'm doing, tap that like button and forward these episodes to like-minded people. We in this together, y'all. Shout out to Black Statistics who let me know to let y'all know. Make sure you subscribe and your notifications are on. And you can hit the like button if you like what I'm doing. And if you don't, you can hate. You dig? Jomtien Beach, a classic hangout for Europeans. Plenty of coffee shops, plenty of breakfast spots. But today, we decided to try something a little bit different. Oh man, we had the drink, boy. It's Pet Mock. It's Pet Mock. You didn't tell me it was Pet Mock. Ooh, Pet Mock. Oh, you gotta try those. That gasoline, boy. Russians don't play. Ooh.
Actually, you have to drink and eat this.
Right.
Later it's gonna good, but you finished it already.
I said Leo. Russian and Ukrainian food. We never had this before, but since Vitaly's half Russian and half Ukrainian, we had to give it a try. I like when they talk Thai talk. See what you recommend. What do you recommend?
Actually, we have many like very good food.
And I ID.
IDs. I cannot tell. Ukrainian food.
Ukrainian food, really?
Yeah.
Shout out to Vitaly.
Yeah. Also, Thai food is good. Also.
Okay. We were gonna get the breakfast, but I never had Ukrainian food. What do you have for breakfast? What kind of breakfast? What kind of American breakfast do you have?
We have like egg, bacon, ham, and like toast and coffee.
Okay. Where's the breakfast?
Sorry, yeah, because.
You don't have it. So you're telling me about the breakfast, but you don't have the breakfast?
Yeah, because like American breakfast and also people they order from this, not like this.
Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna do the number 71.
71, right? 68. It's gonna be chicken.
Okay, well give me that one. Give me the chicken.
Okay, 68, right?
Yeah, back man, dumb man like chicken. You gotta make them laugh, y'all, you dig? I could tell by the looks on Elle's face, my jokes wasn't that funny. Was she get jealous? I wasn't quite sure. I've never seen Elle get jealous. She might like the soup. She might like this.
Yeah, both soup, right? sorry.
Yeah, give me that for her. She might like that. Is that like Tom Yum Goong?
Not at all.
Besides, she told me she was having a bad headache while we were walking. But just to be on the safe side, I'ma pull back with the jokes. But come on, man. Innocent, beautiful, no makeup, all natural. I had to at least make her laugh. Am I wrong? Holler in the comment section and let me know. A Zoom truck. Meanwhile, while we were waiting on our food, here's a message from another satisfied customer.
Peace and love, Richie Mack. It's your boy Pharaoh. I'm here at Sunni's Barbershop. It's Sunni right here. And bruh, I'm gonna tell you once again, thank you for your advice and the consultation. You are not capping on anything. This place is paradise. It is what it is, and it's all true. He actually underestimated everything. Peace, love.
Shout out to Pharaoh. And I heard you trying to hook up with the other barber over there. We're going to see what happens and what it do. Keep us posted, man. I haven't had a chance to meet you yet, but I really appreciate you sending that shout out. Salute. Now I got to get back to my lunch with Elle. All right, here it comes. Here it comes. This is my mashed potato. I ain't never seen a square mashed potato, but hey, I'm not mad. This is the borscht. Do that for her.
Oh, it's not the borscht. It's the
Oh, the chicken with the vegetables. Okay. It looks good. Russian food in Thailand, you dig me? Square potatoes and Russian chicken and vegetables. First time, y'all. You look cool. If it ain't Thai food, she don't even mess with it. It's not Thai food. That's for them big old legs. Although it wasn't exactly breakfast, the chicken soup was hitting. So I got to give y'all a reel on the Russian lunch. It depends on your palate and your taste buds, you know what I mean? It's a little bit different, but it's always worth trying different things, man. You got to try different food. I remember the first time I tried sushi, I was like, what the hell? And I fell in love with it. So you got to just try different things, man. We try. Noodle she don't try a lot of stuff. She stick with Thai food most of the time, but me, I got to get it in. I got to try. Can you say Zoom to Thailand?
App ZoomtoThailand. Hello.
Hey, you did. Thank you for your service. Bye-bye. See you next time. The food was actually good. Even though we were going to get breakfast, we actually enjoyed it. Y'all got to check it out when you get to Thailand. No.
I so tired.
You tired? Oh, you got to walk with them big old legs. Oh, we're at the end of our walk. And we made it home, man. Noodle had all kind of neck injuries and all kind of stuff, but we back, y'all. So we catch you on the next one. Noodle say theme music. Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand. Hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mack, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mack, travel OG. Let's go.